Here I have Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change SIM pin on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select cellular, and go to SIM pin. And here you can smoothly change it by tapping on change pin. So at first you have to enter the current one, in my case it's 1234, tap on done then, and now let's enter the new pin that you would like to apply to this SIM. It can be 2580, click on done and then re-enter it just to confirm. Tap on done then, and that's it. Your SIM pin has been changed, so that will be all. This is the end of the operation. You can perform it whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.